Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a private profile in Threads app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, open your Threads app, okay, and log in with your Instagram account. So log in with your Instagram. So here I will just put. So let me wait. So when you will just log into the app, then click on this account section at the top right. Click on this at the right here. Then here you can see the option is your public. So like professional profile and business profile can't be created in public, but you want, like, you can just do private profile from here, okay. So it will be done. If you can switch off, you can switch off here. So by this way you can just create a public and unpublic profile from here. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.